Nlyte Asset Optimizer is part of the Nlyte suite of hybrid digital infrastructure management software solutions. Nlyte Asset Optimizer is an open and scalable software solution providing automation and efficiency to asset lifecycle management, capacity planning, workflow integration, audit, and compliance tracking. Asset Optimizer efficiently manages assets from receiving dock to decommissioning, rack by rack, in data centers as well as co-location and edge facilities across the globe. It simplifies space and energy planning and easily connects to ITSM, building management, and other business intelligence systems. Nyte provides automated monitoring of reporting and all assets to reduce time, improve service accuracy, and lower risk associated with inaccurate data. The system helps you efficiently use space by improving density and eliminating unused assets. With assets being immediately recognized at receiving, they depreciate in the rack instead of a closet. The real-time asset reporting engine ensures accurate expense allocation by user and billing center. Critical use cases for Nlyte Asset Optimizer include Asset Lifecycle Management. The application tracks an asset's location and reservation from the moment it's received at the loading dock, in storage, through installation, and any adds, moves, and changes clear through decommissioning. With Nlyte Asset Explorer for DCIM, all assets connected to the network are continuously monitored. Changes are automatically updated in the asset database to ensure current and accurate disposition of all assets. Real-time dashboards and reporting show every asset by location and ownership mapping through each lifecycle stage, which can facilitate warranty renewals and maintenance contracts. Automated workflow. The Nlyte workflow system allows for complex processes to be easily programmed and connected to existing workflow engines, aligning resources and tasks precisely. These processes deliver end-to-end project lifecycle management, eliminating manual processes and extending the adaptation of ITIL and COBIT in the data center without additional processes. Nlyte's Workflow Manager delivers a complete drag-and-drop process designer. This allows an organization to rapidly create a process for a new set of assets by simply copying, pasting, and editing an existing template without any coding knowledge. The Nlyte Workflow Manager provides three main elements to help manage services and service requests: a process designer that allows you to define your services and their workflow processes, a form builder creates forms for capturing process information from your staff, and the service request engine, which initiates and monitors the execution of service requests, coordinating interaction between staff, and monitoring task duration to protect SLAs. The Workflow Manager allows you to view and download work orders from the workflow at each graphical process step. With it, you can continuously improve process design and adoption by easily sharing your complex processes. And non-Nlyte systems users can create or move assets such as a server just by filling in a form without accessing the full Nlyte system. Network mapping. Nlyte Asset Optimizer, in conjunction with Nlyte's Asset Explorer, provides a unique feature that provides agentless, automated, and continuous discovery and mapping of all networked equipment. The collected scans update and validate the DCIM database and any connected systems such as BMS, CMDBs, and service desk systems. Additionally, it helps identify security risks from devices added out of change management controls. The discovery process updates all information about assets such as adds, moves, changes, and relevant attributes automatically, thus reducing the overhead of keeping complex critical information up to date. Then a topology view within Asset Explorer is rendered to show the network discovered assets and their relationships. The DCIM database is automatically updated after each scan, keeping the system of record current for physical and logical assets across the compute infrastructure and extending into ITSM CMDB change management systems. This helps eliminate surprises during installations and provides a near real-time understanding of actual network ports used against those showing available. The Business Logic Engine translates physical network connection mapping into asset network port mapping for automated end-to-end network connection traces. This is critical for business impact planning resulting from planned or unplanned power outages. The network mapping provides detailed reporting of connection attributes such as ports mapped to modules and switches, card ports within servers, the number of network modules and ports being used to determine if more are needed, and is there power and space to add more, who is using the network port and are they being charged, simple traces for problem solving, impact analysis, and a quicker fault recovery. Capacity planning. Nlyte Asset Optimizer helps you manage space, energy, and asset utilization. It identifies the current usage and future needs of the environment. You can balance resources across the entire compute infrastructure and make strategic decisions on current and future placement of workloads. The solution automatically reserves or releases resources, including power, space, and/or cabling, when an asset is moved from one state to another. The allocation engine can automatically assign servers and chassis cabinet assignments by analyzing the asset's characteristics from the materials library and intelligently match them with available cabinets and resources. Cabinet recommendations are based on intelligent allocation criteria, including balancing power consumption and available space, and provide alert warnings for conflicts and insufficient resources while planning moves, adds, and changes. Systems integration. Nlyte has pre-built plug-and-play connectors for all major IT, facility, and business applications, BMS, CMDB, ITSM, reporting, and virtualization systems. These connectors provide unified communication across the organization, working from a single source of truth. Additionally, Nlyte's Open API allows you to customize the system to meet any organization's specific needs. For more information, visit nlyte.com.
Nlyte software defines modern data center infrastructure management.